Hello friends, when we hear the word accounting software, most of us imagine something boring or complicated. And if GST is also involved, thought of juggling between the Excel sheet is exhausting. But what if there was a tool that made accounting simpler, compliance easy, and even generate financial insights using AI? Sounds like a dream, right? Let's explore one such accounting software that is smart and designed specially for India's solopreneur and small businesses. So, without any further delay, let's get started. What do you think is the definition of a best software? A best software isn't about just ticking the box of the features. It must grow with your business, helps in GST compliances, and even provides you financial insights. And it should be very easy to use without any external help. Fast support, reasonable cost, and most importantly, automation that reduces errors and saves your time. That is the real definition of the best software when it comes to the accounting. The software which we are talking about is not just an accounting tool, it's a full stack solution. It helps you in creation of quotations, invoices, data management, managing your purchases, expenses, and even provides you financial insights. It comes with an AI named as Freya, which helps as your virtual CFO. It gives you real-time financial insights that helps you in making correct decisions at the correct time. Manual entry is the most boring and error-prone part of accounting. Here, AI takes care of it automatically. You create an invoice or record a payment and everything else is taken care by the backend. Generation of journal entries, vouchers and invoices, everything is done at the backend. This saves your time and reduces any type of manual errors. The software also helps in creating any real-time reports and compliances reports. You can generate trial balance, profit and loss, cash flow statements, and even product profit and loss statement instantly. You don't need to wait until month end to generate such reports. With regard to bank reconciliation, the software also provides this feature. You just need to upload the bank statement and your bank reconciliation is done in minutes. And with regard to GSTR 2B reconciliation, which you have to do every month, this software provides this feature as well. All you need to do is just enter your login ID and password and it automatically downloads your GSTR 2B from the portal and reconcile your GSTR 2B with your purchase register and provides you complete match, partial match or unmatched invoices so that you will get to know whether you have taken the correct ITC or not. Even e-invoices and e-way bills are generated seamlessly using this software. It means in the next season, you are less stressed and more compliance ready. This software not only provides accounting, it also analyzes the transaction pattern. So if there is any fraud, it gives you a red flag. With regard to the process workflow, it also helps you in setting payment reminders via email or WhatsApp. In short, it is more than accounting, it is a complete business management tool. Let's get a quick walkthrough of the software so that you will know how it helps in managing your business efficiently. You just need to log in into the software. Here at the dashboard, you will find sales and invoices. Here you can create quotations, invoices and pro forma invoices as well. In purchases and expenditure, you can create purchases, expenditure. You have vendor leads, vendors and supplies, purchase and expenses dashboards. In accounting, you will have accounting groups, chart of account, voucher books, balance sheet, trial balance, profit and loss, income statement and all ledgers, along with day book and cash flow statement. With regard to the GST reports, you have GSTR1 sales report, GSTR2B purchase report and GSTR3B summary. When you click on the report segment, you will get a report dashboard. When you scroll down, you will have a separate account receivable and account payable reports. In account receivable reports, you have invoices, client reports, TDS receivable reports, HSN report and GSTR1 report. With respect to the account payable, you have vendor reports, payment reports, TDS payable reports, GSTR2B reports, etc. Also, you have advanced accounting reports like trial balance, balance sheet, income statement, profit and loss, day book, cash flow statement and all ledgers master report. My personal favorite is product-wise and project-wise P&L. Now, you don't need to wait for month end to get access of all this report. All you need to do is just click on that report and you will get the real-time financial insights, which basically helps you in taking correct decision at the correct time. For solopreneurs, small businesses and freelancers, this kind of software is a game changer. This not only simplifies your accounting, it ensures your compliances and it helps you in focusing on what actually matters, that is your business. So this was our discussion on the best accounting software. If you also want to try this software and make your compliance easier, the link is given in the description.